So it's Saturday morning and we're doing the vacuuming, or Richie, and I'm doing mopping and cooking. And yeah, this is what Riley does when we're doing housework. He gets in his walker and he follows the vacuum cleaner around. And he wants to grab it all the time. And it makes it very hard to get the housework done. Hey, what are you doing there? Away from the vacuum cleaner. What you doing? Riley? Huh? What you doing there? Yeah. There he goes again, trying to grab the vacuum cleaner. Have you got it? I bet he's vacuuming. You're in Daddy's way there, Riley.
Maybe you can take the seat out.
Oh, Riley, Daddy can't do the vacuuming when you do that. Hey? He likes it. He's doing it himself now.
He's water skiing.